So today I will show you how to make a paper diya, Diwali decoration. So for this I am taking this round sheet of diameter 7.5 centimeters. So after taking this, just fold one like this, one fold, and fold it again like this, and and put open it, put glue here and close. And you can see it will open from here and here like this. So we have to make this 12. We need 12 like this, and the method of making the 12s are the same. So I've already made these ones with the same pattern as I have shown you there. So now just take one by one and we will stick it. Just put glue like this and stick it the next like this. Just put glue like this and take another one and just stick it like this on top of it. Take another one. This and put it here. So this glue here and just paste it first like this. And now the last one is left. And it's done. So when all the pasting work is done, you can just put it like this and open it, and it will come like this. So first we need to glue this part also, and then we'll do the next thing. So just take glue out with you, and the same thing we'll do here also. Putting glue and just taking this. And just switch it over like this, and we just need to fix it, and then it's done. So as you can see now, it will look like this. So let's do the next thing and it will be done then. So for this part I have this cardboard sheet that I have already cut, and this orange sheet to cover it from one side and from the other side. So these are all of the same sizes. So I will just cover the cardboard first with these two orange sheets, and then we'll stick it to here with the diya, on top of the diya. First I will just cover it. And here also. Just glue the whole thing and take this and just stick it well, press it well. To help stick it well. So it's done. And now I can cut any extra part that I have that I want to cut to make it a more cleaner and neat look. So just a little bit that I have to cut, and then I will just glue this on top of it. Just put some glue here. And take this and just stick it on top of it. Hold it for some time, otherwise it can come out. So this diya is ready to decorate now, and you can decorate it in your house, and it's ready, as you can see. And it's sticked. It's all ready to decorate. This beautiful paper diya.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Smash the like button. Please comment also. And please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics. And to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadik's World. Bye bye.